Yo, what's up everybody? We're here back at the garage, and my buddy Jerry, he came through, man. He got me a brand new rear bumper bracket, and we're about to show you and show you what's up and where we're at. Let's take a look. And like I said in a previous video, we got the garage packed full of parts. Everything's everywhere. We eventually got the motor in here. My dolly broke a wheel, so that was a hassle getting this in here. This is the 3-valve swap. Couple little upgrades on the trans. Pro 5.0 shifter. Probably one of the first Stifler's cross members. I think we're gonna tap the colon crossover for colon sensor, but we got the motor in here. I'm gonna clean everything up, go over some stuff, but here it is. My buddy Jerry came through, got me a brand new bracket. You can't even get these right now. Look how crusty this one is. This is the one that was on the car. It's about ready to fall apart. And he gave me a brand new LX bumper too, which I think it's for like a 85, 86-ish. I don't know. Let me know. But as you can see, these come with an extra stud. This is the bumper reinforcement bracket. That's what I've been telling you I needed. He came through for me, man. So it's been raining today, but I think we're about to put the rear bumper back on. So those are the holes it goes in. I got a little scrap mark there where I got to drill an extra hole. Drill the extra hole over there, and we'll have the rear bumper back on. So we got it back down on jack stands, and the strut towers are looking beat up. You can see a little bubble right there. But you'll see that in the future videos. We're going to get this all taken care of, get it back to a good riding Foxbody. But just want to do a little short video, show you the bracket that I needed. He came through for me, man. Thanks, Jerry. Bracket and bumper. Don't really need a bumper, but it will fit the LX and give you some more of the 3-valve. Can't wait to get it back in and empty the garage. So yeah, that was just a little short update for you. Wanted to show you the rear bumper support bracket that I needed. My boy Jerry hooked it up. We're gonna get the rear bumper back on here before it starts raining again. And wanna keep seeing these videos, keep hitting that like, share, and subscribe buttons, keep tuning in. Till the next one, peace.